There's nothing like good iced coffee.
Does it have lots of cream in it?
Are we live? And we're live. And cheers. So this one is going to be a lot of fun. Okay. We
Okay.
already we already built most of the back
Mm.
end. This is a AI play, and actually it's executable, so we can actually execute this really fast. I think we're going to be able to do most of the work in 3 hours today in terms of marketing and UI. Backend also took. We're already in like the second hour, but Alex is too shy to join our stream, so he will. I know he will do it in parallel with us. So our goal is to
Okay.
sprint. It's going to take us about probably 3 sessions to do this whole startup, so 9 hours total. That's the goal. Let's see if we can aim for that. The goal today is that you finish the UI. I work on the website with Reardum and launch the website, and the marketing materials, so the copy and all that. And then
Okay.
we could do other things. We'll see what we do. We'll see what we split tomorrow. So let me first share my screen. Uh, Hold on one second. Oh, I forgot. We have a dual monitor. I have a dual monitor. Hey, I got some cool shit lately. I just wish I got my camera too. I just bought a camera from Opal C. It's like a new startup. You know what's annoying about startups is that they just don't have their shit together. So I contacted their I contacted their customer service, okay,
Okay.
and they just don't answer. They just don't answer. I called them like multiple times. They just don't answer. So like they have this beautiful website. Um, Let me show you. No, not this. Because I had to contact the founder. I was looking for the founder, so I just emailed him. So look at this beautiful website that they have, like amazing hardware and all that stuff, and like no one answers the customer service. I bought this one, so great.
Why don't you just like buy something that everybody else buys off of Amazon?
Well, this one got really well reviewed, and it's like really cool, and it solved all my problems in one thing. But uh,
So what's your problem with it?
they just don't answer. Oh, sorry, the package never got here. It never came here.
Oh,
Yeah.
nice.
Well, good job for both of us for uh, kind of meeting our schedule, so that's good. All right, so um, okay, so I kind of planned out a little bit. It's a very, very simple UI in terms of like there's not a lot of complexity, at least for V1, because for now we're just a database. So first, let me tell you the bigger picture. The picture
Wait,
is,
did you share this? Did you share this Figma file with me?
uh, yes, I did. One
I
second.
didn't get it.
Uh, yeah, you're here. It's the main one that I always use.
Oh, it's the same one.
Yes, I'm sending it to you on Slack.
Okay, I'm there.
Okay, so sign up. Use the left, right, same white, what's it called? Um, Remember the old ratio? Let me show you. Uh, um, what was it? Users.com? Nope. What was it? Try.
What's try ratio?
No,
I
but
think
we had
the
like,
ratio dot AI.
oh, yeah, this
Or
one.
get it dot try ratio.
Yeah, so use the same white. You see that white with border kind of style? Because Alex is
Mm,
basically using this as a template. Um,
okay.
like we're gonna use these elements. So buttons, stuff like that. If you want to send your screenshot, or you have it, or you want me to
No,
put
I
it
have
here.
it. Yeah,
Okay.
wait.
So here's the thing. Let me tell you first. Um, Now you could get, just FYI, it's easy for styling. Like you could change background colors because they're, HTML, so it's super easy. So you could like pick a whatever, those are easy things to change. But yeah. Okay, so sign up is no step here. First name, last name, email, password, sign up button. Okay. A
Yeah.
footer will have a title like this. It will be sort of a blog. So
Mm.
you could decide to design here something cool, like maybe the I don't know. I was thinking maybe in the center, and then maybe here is the like link, contact uh, about. Um, this is the most bizarre bug that one, two, three. Look, you see how it adds a period on its own for spacing?
It's not a bug. It's like its own purpose. I think Microsoft does that too.
Really?
And Google Docs and stuff, yeah.
Okay, so that's the footer. It will have a blog post like this. I will work on the blog on Figma. You could do whatever something cool with it. Now let me tell you the app in general first. Wait, before I go into the UI. So this app, the whole UBI thing. You know what
No,
UBI is? Universal
no,
Basic Income.
no.
So universal basic income was something that was spoken a lot in Silicon Valley. It was so Sam Altman, the CEO of OpenAI, he spoke about it a lot. He was trying to push it. A lot of people were trying to push in Silicon Valley. It was like a new economic like theory. It was basically that people are not creative because especially people at the bottom are not creative because they're stressing out about money. So let's say you, okay, let's say whatever you or I'm sure you've had periods in your life where you wanted to work on something interesting, but because you have to think of rent, you just take on I don't know, a shitty design job, right? Or you take on
Yeah,
Uber or whatever, or some waitress job, right?
yeah.
Instead of working on something interesting. So what their theory was is if everyone had a base salary, like $3,000 a month or $2,000 a month, everyone in the world, I mean, or whatever in the US, especially working professionals, then you have the peace of mind, so you could work on really interesting things.
Okay.
So that's the concept. So basically, it was like it's an economic theory. It's like, okay, how do we get? Uh, so there's a lot of techniques to here. Let's ask ChatGPT. Like, what are some of the techniques that people were using? Here, explain some. So, is a model for providing all citizens of a country or geographical region with a given sum of money, regardless of their income, resources, or employment status, so that everyone receives a minimum income to cover their basic living expenses, promote economic security, and reducing poverty. Here are some key aspects of how to execute UBI. So UBI is all citizens, right? Unconditionally. So it's like automatic. You're getting the money, so you don't have to think about it. Um, and then monthly provider should be sufficient over cover basic needs, right? Um, so it's through taxes. They had like there's all kinds of ideas on how to actually fund it. Public engagement and education. Yeah. So uh, yeah. So okay, it makes sense until now.
Hmm.
Okay. So what I was thinking, this is an idea I had before, but it wasn't possible before AI, and that is to make UBI. So I think UBI is possible because if we somehow, because you as a unit, you generate a lot of data, right? You generate data on Facebook, you generate data through cookies. Are you familiar with cookies that like get sold to like ad
Yeah,
networks? Okay, so
yeah.
you you generate data through cookies, you generate data through Facebook, Instagram, social media posts, right? All that stuff gets generated, and it gets sold to companies, bought and sold on a daily basis, and you don't make a dollar off of that, right?
Hmm.
Because you traded off free services to sell your data, right? And so you don't make any money off of your data. Now, most people tackling this problem, like some apps out there came up with like monetizing your cookies, so like you sell your cookies to companies from your own volition. Um,
Yeah.
but cookies, like you can maybe make $100 a month on it. Um, with this app, what we plan to do is basically aggregate every point of data around your avatar, your work, your work habits, your resume, your like from LinkedIn, your cookies, and every other data that we could possibly gather, we'll gather on you, and then we sell that to companies, and we only sell it if you want to sell it. So we give you back permission on what we will sell from the data. Now we could do, and now you'll make money off of it, so that you own your own data and you could sell it to whoever you want to sell it, or say or reject it. Now the interesting things that we could do is like if we know a lot of if we know a lot of data about you, like for example, the kind of products you want to buy, or like for example, you're a designer and you posted, we also know the kind of things you posted on social media, then we could target you with like a B2B sales pitch that's like really solid because we know you're the design manager at uh, Figma. So we could send you a very targeted email. Now, companies will pay for that like $200. So they'll pay for your attention. So they'll pay, and you'll know that they bought your data. So there'll be like a little tag that says, hey, this. So for example, you go, let me know if I'm making sense until now because I don't want to continue ranting. Like, let me stop for now.
Yeah, it makes sense.
Okay. So let me go on Gmail for a second. Are you familiar with apps like this? Like, what is this? Are you familiar with apps like, wait, let me show you something. You see this? You see the opens for?
Yeah.
Okay, so this is an app
What
that
does
I
that mean?
installed. So it's an app that I installed. It's called this one. It's called Email Tracker. So if I send you an
Okay.
email, I will see the tracker. I could see that you opened the email, and then it lightens up like this. It says, "Hey, we send you an email." Sorry, Sushil opened my email. Okay, so it just tracks every email I send and then tells me if I send it.
Oh, you sent. Okay, yeah.
Yeah, so it's just a plugin. It's a Chrome plugin. So what we will
Okay.
do is we will work with companies. So let's say right now 1 million people sign up to our platform, right? And we go out and we start selling your data. Start selling your data like what everyone does already. This is nothing new, right? We sell your data, and of course this data is going to be really targeted because again, this part maybe I didn't explain well, but if we can gather all these profiles and we can create, I'll get to the cool shit that we could do. But basically, we go out and we sell a company. So let's say once again, let's stick to the example that you are the chief design officer at Figma. So now we sell that lead because it's targeted and because the lead is like it's gonna someone's might pay even $300 for that just to contact you, right? So now instead of getting some random emails, which you'll still get, you'll see an email and you'll see the tag that someone paid for this data to get to you. So you're getting paid for your attention. So you'll open it. There's a higher probability. They say, you know what, he's paying for my attention. He paid $200 for my attention. So it will say over here that it will have a tag over here that says paid or whatever. Like it will be a check mark that we can create, like a sort of like organic, USDA. It's like an organic tag.
Yeah, so wait, so when you're paid, it just sends an email and the tag is in the email or it's on the app?
No, it's not in the email. It's going to be you're going to have a Chrome. We're going to build a Chrome plugin that
Okay.
whenever you get emails, you will know that if someone paid for your data to get access to you, to be able to send you an email from our data that we sold to them, then you'll know that that email was being that someone paid for that email. So you'll give it more importance. What would you
Okay.
prefer opening? An email that someone paid $400 to get access to you to message you, or a spam email like from this person or whatever?
Okay.
No, but
Yeah.
let me know if it makes sense, right? So like we're taking your data
Yeah,
and
it
selling
does
it.
make sense, but I'm just saying, like, so, like, where are all the places that we're gonna have this besides email?
So email will be a one place that will have the tag. It will say you will know when if someone paid for your data to get access to you to send you an email, you will know. And then also we will have a USDA icon kind of thing, right? Which we'll use here, and we will use also on ad network. So if I go on TechCrunch, well, if there's an ad over here, I don't know, somewhere, you might see here an ad. They might, oh, here's an ad, right? So it might be a little icon over here that you'll recognize. It'll be tiny, but
Mm.
you'll know, oh, interesting. This person bought cookies, but I got paid for it. I got fucking money on this shit. I
Okay,
got
so
paid for it.
it's a Chrome plugin, and that one little tag pops up wherever.
Not wherever they bought
I mean, wherever,
your data,
yeah.
wherever you gave people permission to buy your data.
But it can be literally anywhere. It can be.
It could well, it's usually where people buy your data and it's like you can make money off of it is like Chrome.
Mm,
Um, Chrome, I mean, sorry, emails, uh, um, LinkedIn messages, ads, um, surveys, like if someone wants you to do a survey. Um, what else? Like medical kind of,
mm,
places. So we will have kind of the tag, where it's like we'll have a tag so people know, oh, this is my data. I own it. I enabled whatever I want to sell, what I don't want to sell, and everything else I'll ignore. So now you'll like give attention to ads that you care about.
okay.
Sorry, not that you
That
care
makes
about.
sense.
Sorry, my bad. You know what I'm saying? Like that you. I think it makes
Well,
sense.
you'll just know that you got paid for that.
Yes, as opposed to someone sold their cookies to Big Lots. Me, they sold my cookies to them. I didn't make a dollar off of this.
So then, sorry, in the app,
Okay,
on the app side, what's on that side?
okay. So, are
Like,
you familiar with some apps? Do you know some apps that are like you pay money to message someone important so that they could talk to you?
no,
Are you familiar with
no,
those
but
sites?
I know that we designed one at one point, our like press app.
Yeah, but that was more like we just gave them contact information. So there are websites where you pay to talk to Sam Altman for $500 for his attention,
Okay.
or to email him, right?
Mm.
And he gives you permission, like he's going to open the email, right? Or are you familiar? Like people, would
No, I don't
you?
know any of those.
Yeah, so there's a few startups that raise money on that, but it's a concept, right? But it makes sense to you, right? Let's say right now I said, hey, I want to talk to you for $200, right? You'll talk to me, right? You'll open my
Yeah.
email. Okay, so that's what we're going to do. We're going to sell that data, very detailed data, so that so one, the company wins a more attention from the consumer. They win more attention, so they're willing to pay for that more and more data. And you win, well, you're going to make money. Like I said, the universal basic income. I'm estimating. I work with ChatGPT, and like I was doing some research. I'm estimating we could put anywhere from like on the low end $200 a month, all the way to the high end $10,000 a month. So we're averaging like $3,000 to $5,000 a month. We can get paid from that. We're not doing anything.
Okay. Okay.
So it's exciting, right?
Yeah.
If we could pull it off, that's exciting. I mean, that's that everybody gets. Let me know though if it makes sense that the contract, the data, because I feel like you're
It does make sense. I'm trying to piece together how everything works more than like
okay.
what the goal of it is. And so I'm trying to understand this side of it now.
Okay, so now this side of it is just, so look at this as, so first you need to explain this. So I think a good onboarding over here is really important. Explain it well. Explain that we're providing UBI. We're selling you're making money back off of your data. Um, and then here um, it's just check. It's like a to-do list to connect your data sources. So connect your LinkedIn by adding username. Connect your Twitter.
Okay. Yeah.
And then the way I think we should do this is like, this is just a message that I put. The way I think we
Mm.
should do it is like, it's new to oldest. So sorry, um, new to done. So let's say this one I finished. It'll have a check mark that I finished it. I added my
Yeah, go to
username,
the bottom.
and then yeah, I'll go to the bottom, and then like I didn't install my Chrome plugin, then it'll go to the top. And
Okay.
then design-wise, I found these screenshots. I think it's really relevant, like this one,
Yeah.
where it doesn't have to have this drop down because I don't know if we'll have categories, but it has, you see this box over here, like connect.
Yeah.
So it
Yeah.
has the icon of the thing, LinkedIn, and then like maybe learn
So
more.
so when you click connect, does it go to a separate page?
No,
Does
so
it
in
just
this
go to
case, we're
like a
just gonna
sign
have,
in?
yeah, in this case, we're just gonna have a username. So
Okay.
username, and this is like install button. So install Chrome plugin. Uh,
Yeah.
like in so some are install, some will be connect. I mean, but for now we didn't.
But is connect do I have to design something for that? Like are they putting in do they have to do like their username and password? Or I guess
No, just
no, not password, huh?
no. So again, we figured out a way to aggregate your data without asking you for. It's not a connect. Ignore the connect. So connect for other things. Maybe for Facebook we'll have connect, but for Twitter and LinkedIn, we figured out a way with this to do it just with
Just
with
LinkedIn.
just no,
I mean
just username.
username. Sorry, that's
Yeah,
what I
so
meant.
that's it. So it's a field. So it's a, so this is a field, right? So
Yeah.
uh, yeah, and then
Should we
maybe like
also
use
have
a
an
check.
option to disconnect it? Like maybe a
Oh, yeah.
toggle or something? Like what if they change their
Uh,
mind? What if they're like, "Oh, I don't want my Pinterest on here."
yeah, yeah, you could do that. Yeah, like disconnect. Yeah, like a, yeah, maybe like a disconnect over here or something. I don't know.
Yeah. There well, I could just put a toggle like up here where the check mark is. There can just be a little toggle.
Okay. Yeah, or you could like, so check mark should be like if you connected it and then like toggle to
Yeah.
disconnect. I don't know, something. Yeah, but I found I liked this a lot. I thought that was cool.
Yeah,
These
that's
two.
good.
Um, and then
Does do we
okay.
need this connecting takes up to an hour? Does it take a second?
Uh,
Do we need a loading
hmm,
state?
mm, no, I think just the check mark, like, yeah, maybe a loading state. Yeah, maybe a loading state on like when you add, when you click submit, because you need to add username and then click
Yeah.
submit, right? And then
Mm.
maybe the submit turns into, yeah, I don't know. I
It
didn't
just
think about that.
says done, but it also says connecting still.
Yes. Yeah,
We
something
just
like
have to
that. Yeah.
basically reuse this type thing. Um, do you think it would be a good idea to say like to implement this learn more type of thing and say what data they're taking from that thing, or should we just leave that for now?
Mm, that's why I was thinking of doing it this way. Like, um, so I was thinking this design like this, like you add username and then the button over here, connect. And then here you have like a title and description. So connect to LinkedIn and then some description. Uh, does that make sense? So like it's a,
So
like
the
text over here.
description is what it is?
Yeah, like you can add here the learn more, basically. The learn more. You get what I'm
Yeah.
saying? So the learn more here
Yeah,
is abstracted.
I was just saying like it could say this is the data they're taking from or using for you, just to make it more like that gives like a transparency feel to them, you know? Like they're more in control of their data.
Oh, you're saying this is the data that we're taking?
Yeah, from this platform.
Yeah, that's what I meant. So we're going to put it here in this description. So we're going to have a room for this description here to say we're taking X, Y, and Z from. You get what I'm saying?
Mm,
Meaning same thing as learn more, same exact thing. It's just we're putting it right there and there, in the
yeah.
description here. So like this is a module, right? So this is for Twitter. Connect,
Yeah,
check
yeah,
mark.
yeah. Yeah, I get all that. I just was saying I was just asking about that one part. if it's
Okay.
beneficial for them to say know that. It basically was like a styling question, not makes
Okay.
sense,
Okay.
yeah.
Cool. Okay. Cool. So, okay, and then what else? Yeah, new to old. Like if you can display also the new to old thing, and then again, I guess for the hardest thing to this is a hard thing to explain.
Wait,
Um,
one quick question. Over here, this new to old thing that you're talking about, you want me to put the ones that are done on the side here?
mm-mm.
Or it
This is
just
just
says that it's
no. This is just a comment that I added.
oh, okay. Okay.
Yeah, I meant to say that like it's just a reminder I put over here as a comment.
Okay.
So it's like just a, yeah. So should I delete it? You
Yeah.
remember?
Yeah.
I'll just put comments over here. I don't like the comment system of Figma. I just write comments usually on the thing
I
because this
like
is
the
like
comment
reminds me
system.
because this reminds me better. I'm like, oh, I see it right there. I don't want to tell you know what I mean. Oh, that's how I
Yeah,
feel.
it confuses me. Like, then I don't know which things are your comments and which things I'm actually supposed to design.
Okay. Okay. And then there's a subheader, which is like connect, which is this page, and then your data. In the future, we're going to show you like companies. There's value in selling because you're a designer. There's value in selling your email address and your interest in design to companies or startups that are in the design space. Are you interested in selling that? On average, leads are your lead will be sold for $20 per company. Are you interested in that? Yes, no. You'll toggle it.
Hmm.
Does that make sense? So you'll know. So
Yeah.
here you'll have like this is where you'll do kind of like the permission stuff or whatever. Um,
Okay. So this
just
we're not doing this right we're not doing this stream?
no, we're not going to do this. I think let's just get this page and the sign up page right and the onboarding. I think if you do like a perfect like I'm trying to just
Yeah.
in general when it comes to apps is like let's perfect things first. Like
Yeah.
the app makes
Just
sense.
one
We can
function
explain
at
it
a
well.
time.
Yeah, exactly. And then everything here makes sense. Log out, like I don't know. Everything makes sense. Maybe that shouldn't be in a
Okay.
subheader actually. Maybe that should be here in the header. Yeah.
Yeah, and then that way we don't have to yeah, then that way it looks fine for not being there right now.
Yeah, and I feel like in terms of creativity, I feel like the onboarding here could be cool. Like, I don't know, like maybe a big pic. I don't know. This is important. I feel like the onboarding in an app like this is like really important.
That's what the red
But
square is.
anyways,
Importance.
no, that's actually fine.
You're like, "This is important," and you drag over a bright red square. I'm like, "Is this a new thing you decided to implement?" You didn't tell me. That would actually be good. That would be good.
What?
You would like uh have little dots of importance, like highlight this. Goes from like red to green, red, yellow, green, maybe.
Uh,
Red is most
Actually,
important.
you didn't read my mind well, but basically what I was trying to signify is that this is a pop-up, not a pop-up, but like those like
Oh,
onboarding
you
that you
can
could
get rid of
close.
it.
Yeah, exactly. I guess I
I
didn't do
don't know
a
why you
good
made it
job
so
with
big
this
and
one.
red.
It has to be the most beautiful close button in human history. If you fail at that, it's gonna all be bad.
I'm gonna need to
Okay,
look up
so
some uh like design inspiration on onboarding. I've noticed that like when you tell me onboarding, you say that a lot, like make a cool onboarding section. And that's one of those
yeah,
things I realized I feel like I haven't seen very often, like my mind goes blank.
yeah, yeah. I mean, let's see together here. Wait, now that I'm thinking about it, I'm really enjoy talking to you and this, but I need to also do the marketing and all that. So, but you know what? Let's not stress out. I need to not stress out. I think the
About
greatest
like
thing in
trying
the
to get it
world.
done in time, you mean?
Yeah, exactly. Let's do this quickly. So onboarding. Or like, what's the best uh, uh, 14 best? I hate these Forbes article that are like assign a buddy. It's like those like content farm bullshit. Make the first day exciting. Sure. What the fuck is this? Like, get the fuck out of here.
Content farm?
Content farms. Are you familiar with that term?
Uh-uh. No.
Content farms are sites. So sites like Forbes and a lot of big sites do that. Is that they'll create very average content, but is really good SEO wise. Like how to
Oh,
onboard so that they can tackle the long tail of marketing, so they can get so they basically get millions of visitors from it. And it's just they crank out these like content. It's called content farms. They just create
mm,
tons and tons and tons. Like I'm talking about like hundreds of thousands of articles that that and they're very average. It's like talking almost to a robot. It's like
yeah.
here,
Yeah, it's
look at
all
this.
the exact same shit, like, it's very predictable.
Yeah, 14 onboarding best practices, and then you read the stuff. It's like really average shit. Like pre-board new hires, like involve new team members. I don't know. It's just really
Even
stupid
if they were
article.
to use ChatGPT, it wouldn't be that generic. I've noticed that, like, I've been, generating content with ChatGPT lately, and it's not as generic as I thought it would be. I thought it would be super obvious.
Yeah, damn, that's a nice design. There's still some good fucking designers on.
There are really good designers on Dribble, but the shitty part about Dribble is they're impossible to find. It's impossible to find exactly what you're looking for. Like you search things on there now, and you get like 5 different topics. Like you get like graphic design popping up, like illustrations when you're looking for product design.
Yeah, no, their search. It's so funny that you noticed that. It's the same fucking shit I
They
noticed. Like,
changed they changed their algorithm recently within the last like 6 months or something like that because it
yeah,
didn't
yeah,
used to be that bad. And now
yeah. You're right.
I never use Dribble. I only use Pinterest because Dribble uploads everything to Pinterest themselves too. So it's way easier. And then if I find one on there that I like, then I can scroll down from that pin and it brings up similar pins, you know?
Yeah. Um, yeah, yeah. No, it's fucked. It's completely fucked. I agree. Um, all right. I have a very little time. I'm gonna get to cranking work. Let's just. How's life, Kylan? Are you okay?
Good. So wait, so help me with the onboarding thing first. Like what should it say? It just should
Uh,
explain what we're
uh,
doing,
yep,
basically? Okay, so
yep.
it doesn't need to have like steps necessarily.
No, it should just say. I mean, here I'm gonna have an article persistent in the footer. You can still see my
Okay.
screen, right? That's
Yeah.
going to explain the goal and the UBI. Because again, you have to drill in that people that you can. It's not bullshit what I said. It's actually we could really attain that. We can attain that people make $3,000 a month without doing any work at all, just on their data. So I
Yeah.
think we should hammer that messaging home. And then of course, like what think about the stuff that didn't make sense to you at first, because I don't know, maybe not everybody thinks that their data is being sold and it's actually worth a lot of money.
Yeah.
Um, and then now people are going to pay because they know that you gave them permission to do so. And then you also will know that they paid for your data. So you're going to give it better attention. Like I
Yeah.
said, the explanation like email one, Coca Cola sends you an email and you know you got paid for it versus Joe Schmo from some company just blasts you with some email that you're like, okay, I don't want to give this attention because like either ways you don't give it attention today.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, cool. Um,
I'm also going to oh, I should I share my screen?
I can't look at your screen when I'm working, but yes, you could sort of screen, yeah.
Because I can say a lot of random shit while I'm looking for design
Page
inspiration.
4A.
Okay, hold on one sec. Okay.
Damn, I wish we could put some music that we could both listen to, no?
Yeah, I know. I was thinking the same thing last stream.
Yeah, I'm kind of
But the
like,
problem also with YouTube is we would get copyrighted so fast.
really?
Yeah.
All right, I have to go to the restroom for a minute.
Okay.
Is that exciting
What?
that I'm going to the bathroom?
No.
All right, well, I like if you answer my stupid questions on purpose. Um, damn, damn.
What?
Fucking whole blog in 2 seconds.
Oh, you're not sharing my screen.
Oh shit. I always forget that I have to
You
do
always do that. Last time I basically was never on stream.
that. Okay, so I might have some questions for William. All right, let me work on this.
Oh, let's see.
Fuck. I remember writing a homepage for this.
Okay. So when you click read more on the sign up page, it goes to the landing page.
Hmm?
So when you click read more on the sign up page, it goes to the landing page.
You mean the blog post over here in sorry,
No, not the blog post on the sign up page. When you click read more right here.
yeah, that's a title to a blog post. Yeah, we'll go to a blog post. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, this is essentially like it's going to be in the footer and it's in every page of the site.
Oh, okay.
It's
Okay,
it's
that
meant
makes
it's meant
sense.
to tell you our goal is for you to earn $3,000 a month on your data, so you could um and for you to buy products that actually makes a difference in your life. You know, so we'll have like, I mean, I don't know if that's the title, but I might change it. But it's like it's supposed to be persistent there, so you click on it and go to the blog, and then we teach you more about the product. You know.
Hmm.
So it's like persistent in the footer. So I guess this is like footer, you know.
Okay.
Do the footer however you want.
Um, let's see. Take charge of your data and make money doing it. That works, right?
What? Sorry.
You don't have to respond to everything I say. I'm gonna keep talking so that we don't get super boring.
So you won't get offended if I don't answer?
No, but I'll get offended if you keep asking me to repeat myself.
Okay, I won't ask you to repeat it.
Okay, I gotta sign up UI design. Cool, like this. Can I change the styling of that white box with the login at all? Like just the padding and whatnot?
Um, I'm gonna answer this because it looks like you're actually asking me a question. What is your question?
Can I change the style of the white sign up box at all? Like just the padding and whatnot?
Yeah, padding you can change. Yeah. Oh shit, that's not good. What I just did. I just scratched myself and stood up.
You
Uh,
just scratched yourself and stood up
I
and
stood up and scratched my ball and scratched my balls.
oh God.
Yeah.
I hope you cut that out
No, fuck it. Why not?
because that's whatever. Whatever.
Please rewrite. Hold on, I'll be back. I'm going to the restroom.
Okay. I guess this should be sign up. Make that smaller. 30. Nice. Okay. First name, last name, email, password. Make that 500. D10 is a border that is gray. Okay. Gray border. Nice. Title. Make that 18. Nope. 17, 16.
Hola, señorita. ¿Cómo estás?
Hmm. Okay, first name. So I also can't change the way the form is. I need to leave the
What
form the same. I need to leave the form the same. Like I can't put the filler text inside it.
form?
I mean,
Sorry, what's the question?
look at my Figma. Look at the screen I'm sharing. I also
Yeah.
can't change it, so I can't do this. I have to leave it like this.
Uh, no, it was inside in the design, no?
No, right here. See right here? Are you looking at my screen?
Oh, I see. Yeah, over here. It's like over here. Yeah.
See how
Uh,
the title of the box is on the top, not inside of it?
yeah, you could put it inside. That's fine. I mean, you know, I like it inside on the top. I think it's a better UX because I've seen placeholders sometimes where you type and then because you didn't see,
Hmm.
because it removes the placeholder, then you don't know what it is. So I think you forget what it is because you might like space out and you're like, wait, what was this field again? So I think this is better UX.
Okay.
Yeah.
Whatever
I
you
mean, you can do
say.
both. All right, give me one second here.
Address.
And
Password. Okay. Little checkbox. 20, 30 by 30. Nope. 20.
okay.
20 works. 25. 30. Nice. I need to add a already have an account, right? Already have an account. Sign in. Okay.
Okay.
I've been listening to this audiobook. I told you, didn't I tell you I've been super into audiobooks?
Yeah.
Um, I've been listening to this one where it's like two serial killers and they're like kind of in love, but not, they're like, I don't think they know that, like, I think they both think that the other one isn't interested. It's interesting. It's getting pretty good. Okay.
Yeah. Hmm.
Okay.
I don't know why I'm not doing so well. I haven't
What do
started
you mean?
strong. I haven't started strong with the design and all that stuff. I feel like I'm moving very slow. I can't focus because the copy needs like uh,
Okay, I'm going to leave that sign up section like that for now and move on to this section. Okay. The banner here. Nice.
Abstract. How it works. You can earn. Okay.
How is your reeling going?
Not good. It's just a copy problem. I just don't know. This thing is hard to explain. Man.
Yeah, it is kind of hard. I think I might be getting sciatica
What is that?
from my chair. It's where it's like this pain in your left. I mean, there's this pain in the left side of my back, my lower back, that shoots down my leg a little bit, comes and goes. But it went away and now it's back. It was there this morning and it's been coming on and off for the last like few months. I think it might be my chair. I don't know for sure. Not
You have like.
good.
Why is this showing no title? That's my question. Why are they not showing any titles? I don't understand. Okay, how do I copy the? How do I copy this thing? Well, I know how to copy, but well, actually, there is no style guide, so it doesn't really matter, right? So yeah, it doesn't really matter.
To get started.
Okay. Uh,
Yeah, 550.
do you know how to create a blog on Webflow?
Yes. Is that a trick question or something? Of course, I know how to
No,
create a blog on Webflow.
no, I know you're really good at it, but
What do you mean?
no, I need to create a blog for this. I was wondering how I should do it. Um,
Let me see what you're doing.
well, I'll let
Oh,
you know in
you
a
just
second, but
oh, you don't need any help with anything? That
yeah,
wasn't a
1 second.
question.
Yeah, I'll tell you in a second. Hold on 1 second. So
That's cool how that fades, those dots.
Damn,
Okay.
look at this fucking, these styles are terrible. How do I do
What?
this? How do I copy paste?
You have to put it into a Figma. You have to put it into a file that already has um their style guide in it. A Webflow
And how do
project
I
that already has their style guide in it.
and how do I do that if I want to use our existing project, which is TriRatio AI?
You need to go to one. You need to open up one of the projects that has it in it, and you need to copy it from there and put it in there. So open up like another tab.
Oh, tab. Okay. Okay, and what now?
And then go to the whatever project has the style guide in it. That one right there, that second one has it. You can see the style guide on the second one. That one.
Okay.
It has a whole page for the style guide. And you have to copy that page and put it as a page in the
You mean
project that you
here?
want to use.
Oh, got it. So here, and then what do you do?
You gotta put it in the project that you want to use. But
Okay,
don't
so
use
how do
that
I
one because
copy?
that one's already changed. If you go to Reloom, go to Reloom.
Yeah, but it's fine. I can take this one. I'm happy with this one. I like this design. So how
But
do I
that
copy?
one doesn't. Okay.
No, I'll change it. I
Uh,
mean, I could just change it from here, right?
yeah, you gotta copy the page and you gotta move that page over to the
No,
project that
no,
you're currently using.
no. My question is, let's say I wanted to change this style over here. I could just change the. If I change the typography here, it'll change it everywhere, right?
Yeah,
Okay, so that's awesome. Yes, I could change your design from here. Okay, so how do I copy paste this? What do I do?
you have to copy the whole page.
So I have to go from body here, Command C.
I don't remember exactly which one, but yeah, it's Command C, and then you have to copy it. Either you have to create a new page in your other project. Yeah, you have to create a new page in your other project, and then you have to copy that page into it. But if you go to Reloom, they have like if you click copy on Reloom, copy component or copy page, it'll do a pop-up and it'll tell you how to do it.
Oh, got it. Okay, let me try this very quickly because I'm already here. And if that doesn't work, then I'll follow. Uh, all right, I'll just follow them. Really? Where did you say this is?
It's when you copy a component in Reloom, it pops up. It's on the little sidebar thing. You click copy component.
Oh, clone style guide. Got it. Oh shit. Okay. I guess it's just gonna be easier. I'll just fucking create a new site. It's fine.
No, just you just create a new page on the project that you want, and then you paste that page
I know.
with the style guide
I
in it.
know. Yep. It didn't work. I didn't. I didn't. It didn't work.
It did work. I did it the other day.
Okay. Let me try again. Yeah, you see, for pasting cross-site, we had to unlink components. Uh,
Yeah, unlink some maybe, but
oh, there you go, I guess. Hmm.
how have your sleeping habits been? Have you gone back to normal? Have you adjusted to drinking coffee at night?
Yeah, I'm actually slept well last night. Yeah. Yeah, I'm just gonna create a new project. I'm doing copy paste, doesn't work.
Do you want me to sign in and do it real fast?
Oh yeah, sure.
Okay, you gotta sign out.
I'm out. Webflow Queen to at the for the rescue.
Okay, which one are you trying to put it on? The
The
ratio fund?
triratio. No, the triratio AI. It was a different app.
Triratio.ai.
Yep. Don't worry, I saved your old homepage. It's beautiful. I wouldn't kill that.
I mean, if we're not, I'm not emotionally attached to it. If we're not using it.
No, but you should have like links to, of your work, no?
Well, I haven't. Hang on.
Honestly, I wish we had fucking music in this bitch.
I think that there's. I think we can put music in it.
Really?
Yeah.
Hey, we laugh, baby. We laugh. No one's watching though. Why are we not
Nobody's
famous yet?
usually watching.
Kylan, why are we not famous yet?
Um.
Maybe it's your hat.
Fuck up.
Wait, what if we find a
Okay.
magic hat? What if we find a magic hat?
Ow, ow, ow. I got a Charlie horse. Ooh. Oh, that was not good. Oh.
What kind of
Ugh.
hat?
Doesn't that work? How did I do this again?
You know what? Fuck this shit. I know what I need to do. I forgot that I did this. There you go.
What?
Oh, I forgot. This is where this fucking shit was.
What?
Ah. No, I wrote a really good outline. I was like, where's my outline? This is my outline.
Okay. How in the fuck? Why? I did this before. How did I do it? Oh, Michael,
I'm dying to hear music. I'm losing
fuck
my
up.
goddamn mind. Please, oh, I need to.
Ah! Why isn't it? I don't know. Just create a new site. Yeah.
That's what I said. That's what I did. Log
I
out.
don't know why it's
It's
not
all good.
working.
Yeah, I told you it's all good. Let me just. It's all
No,
good.
there is a way to do it. I've done it.
I know,
Wait, did you just hold on?
but efficient is better. Let me just copy the site. Well,
Okay,
tell
yeah,
me
do
when you're
that.
logged out.
I already
All right,
logged
thank
out.
you. Thank you, señorita.
I mean, technically, I'm a senora because I've been married before. And now I can never be senorita again.
Hmm.
Do you know that's a
Señorita.
thing? That
What?
in English it's Miss. There's
Hmm.
MS, and then there's MISS for the suffix. You know, you've
Hmm.
seen like the list of those. And if you were single, yet never married, it's just MS. But if you're single and you've been divorced, then it's MISS. Isn't that weird?
Mm, that is weird.
Weird that like it matters.
We gotta archive some shit over here. We got way too many fucking projects.
Yeah, we do.
This is not okay, you know? Give
Hmm.
me a headache.
Okay.
Archive this bitch. Archive this bitch. Could I link product? I mean, archive means that if I archive something here that was yours, it's all good, right?
I don't give a shit what you archive.
Okay. All right. Oh wait, could I delete? Oh yeah, okay. So now I just create a new page, right? And
What I should do is just
okay.
1, 2, landing page. That works. Yes. Okay.
Oh, look at that. It worked.
Ooh, that doesn't look good.
Well, kind of.
No, it worked. It's just it looks like shit. That's just how it is.
Oh yeah, it looks like shit. And I have to actually design it, right?
Yeah. I'm using the font I'm using is plus Jakarta Sans. It's a Google font. So you can just if you go to add fonts and then you just search it in Google, it'll come up.
Okay.
Unless you want to use your own fonts, you want to be all unique and whatnot.
No, that's fine. Um, all right, I gotta get up for a second. What should I do next? I should not.
Okay, so first we need to install our Chrome plugin.
No, my headphones just died. Hold on. I'll be right back. King Man. Hi, little man. Hi. You want to help me design this, dude? You want to help, dude? Want to say hello to Michael? Michael, look.
Hmm. Hey, King.
Look, he's like, what the fuck? Can you hear that? That's your best friend, Michael.
Hey, King, how you doing? You want a treat? You want a treat?
You do? Yeah.
Hey, you want a treat? You want a treat?
Is that what you want? Yeah. Okay, let's go get one, dude.
Yeah, give him a treat for me.
So have you heard of this thing? Apparently reheated rice, is prone to this bacteria that's like it's super deadly. So
Okay.
if you use leftover rice, if you don't put it in a Tupperware dish, like if you leave it sitting out on the stove for a minute after you've cooked it, and then put it in a Tupperware dish, then it's like more likely to get it. But the problem doesn't even come from when you take it out of the Tupperware. It's when you reheat it. When it's cold, it's fine. But once you reheat it, if it's there, then it like reactivates or something like that. I don't know, but apparently it's like can literally kill you. Isn't that
Really?
insane?
Yeah, that's pretty.
Rice, bacteria, food poisoning. Bacillus cereus.
Bugging out till you get it right. Okay, so now we do 1, we do 2, and we do 3. Okay. This one we go right. No, I said I go right. Okay. Now we're gonna have one more section.
Do you know what I think we need for me to go on with this design? I think that we need a logo because I need to make that little icon. And then I also need one for this design.
Um, yeah, I would, sorry, sorry I didn't make my, I didn't explain myself well, but, we have already a sign up page and it should look exactly like, it's fine, you worked on it, but basically it should just look like,
What
the
I
truth is you
asked
need
you,
to,
I asked you what I could redesign. You told me I could redesign it like that.
oh, the padding, got it. Yeah, my bad. Okay, okay, cool, just leave it, it's fine.
You want me to change it?
No, it's fine, because either way, now that I think about it, it's already designed, it's live. So we don't need a design for it, you know what I mean?
So you're not even gonna use that?
No,
Don't
I mean,
touch
I'll ask
that.
him.
Don't touch that. Get out of here.
I'll, I'll ask him, I'll ask him if it's not a big deal to change, to be honest. We could use this, yes. And I
Well,
like these shapes.
that's just a photo. I haven't done.
Yeah, but I like this type of art for this type of app. It like matches well, you know?
Yeah. Okay, let's see. Those are pretty big
Okay.
icons. Okay, we need to connect our data. Install. Hmm. King, please don't.
Damn, they got a lot of section. Holy shit. 1 second. It doesn't have.
Is there an icon like
Oh my god.
what?
Scared the shit out of me. I was so into the work and then.
What the fuck? You're on a live stream, Michael.
I know, but I'm like spaced out. If I get into something, I completely forget. What did you say? Sorry?
Isn't there like a symbol, a common symbol that's used for like API? Is it like with dots?
No. I don't know.
Might just be imagining something. That's like those dots. It's just like I mean, I guess they use it for AI too. It's just meant to show like data, I guess.
Dude, this guy is so annoying with just could you hear it from here?
No, what is it?
No, you know the guy for the ice cream? The guy for the ice cream?
Oh yeah, the ice cream truck.
You just hear it all day long. It's like, dude, stop. Alright, I finally got the layout right in the copy, like I know what to do now. Okay. Okay. Alright, I'm fucking moving. Wow. That was No, it was hard to get me the story. I wanted to go end to end with the story and kind of understanding myself. Does it make any sense? And I got that right, and now it's going to be easy to write it and come up with. That makes sense.
Yeah.
Perfect. Okay.
Well, the good news is now that I took my headphones off, maybe you can't hear me drink.
Maybe I can't hear your what? Oh, the drip, the thing.
You hear me drink? My
Oh,
gulps.
no. Nope.
Nice. Oh, I just spilled it all over myself. That's nice. Okay. Okay. We need. Yeah, I think it's gotta be this chair. This chair sucks. It's making my back hurt.
All right. Now we're going to do the copy, and we're going to move forward in life. All right. I'm going to design the blog page as well. Dude,
Hmm.
no, it's just so annoying. They're asking me so many questions to why I'm canceling. Damn. Hey, Space Nova's here.
Oh, nice.
How you doing, bro?
I forgot to turn on my Twitch, so I can't see any comments.
I'm literally delusional today. I'm like,
He's not even kidding.
no, I don't know. I'm great. How are you two doing? Amazing, bro. We're just trying to crank out as many companies as possible to just get good at this. So this week we had 2 new people join our team to Twitch with, a salesperson who's really good and a software engineer. And now we're working on something a little bit more complex, I guess, and exciting. So Kylan, give him the elevator pitch
Oh fuck, why me?
because I'm putting like you
Uh,
do the elevator pitch.
uh, okay. So it's a tool to help you. Fuck. I don't know. Take control of your data and get paid for it.
Yeah. Wow. I think you did it. Yeah, that's easy to explain. Yeah, we're trying to. It's basically universal basic income. Are you familiar with the concept space age? Let me know if you heard of universal basic income, if you heard the concept. It's something people in Silicon Valley talked about. So basically, it's an economic theory that like states that the reason why people don't do interesting things, especially poor to middle class, is because they don't have any money and they're broke. So they always have to take. So for example, you can't start a business because you have to pay the rent and all that, right? But if the government was paying you $3,000 a month, right, you could take more risks, right? You could, if you have your basic needs taken care of, you could go out and try things and try a business, try to be an artist for the next 3 years, or learn how to play the harmonica, whatever crazy dream you have. So universal basic income came from like some Silicon Valley folks as an idea to hopefully make society more creative and do interesting things in an age where most jobs are being replaced by AI. So it was like the counter to AI, to AI problems. So this company, at least that we're trying to launch, is so I think from my calculations, and I use also ChatGPT to help me come up with these calculations. If we do it properly, you can make money off of your data that will pay you on the minimum $200 a month, all the way to $10,000 a month. So an average of $5,000 a month if you took full control of your data and sold it, and you sold it to the companies who buy, who buy your cookies for ads, who buy your leads, emails, stuff like that. So basically you can earn money without doing anything weird. I mean, without doing anything basically. And data is more and more valuable in the age of AI, right? So people will want to buy even more your data, and then we can create an avatar, for example, of your data, so it can create content on its own. We'll train an AI to create content on its own, and then sell it to companies based on your like profile, your unique profile. So we could do a lot of cool shit, but yeah. But we need 1 million people to sign up in order for this to work. Because
Actually,
because if I have 1 million profiles, I can go to all the data companies and start selling it en masse. If I'm like, hey, I have 2 profiles, like they're not gonna give a shit, You get what I mean?
Yeah.
So how do we get 1 million signups for this? To
That's
get
a
1 million
lot.
signups, well, we gotta make it work. We gotta make it work.
Is it really 1 million?
Well, I'm calculating, like, I think we will be interesting to data companies once we have 1 million users, because if we have the data from 1 million users, we can go out and actually do something with it. We can go, like, cookie companies will be interested in it, and we could start en masse, like, doing interesting things.
I think
So,
even if we had, I don't think we have to have 1 million. I think we could have like a few 100,000. They would.
okay, so let's make an inflection. I'll write on the website that once we reach, what number do you want me to write? 100,000 or 300,000?
I have no idea.
200,000
What are you writing this for?
for the homepage, because I want to say that once we hit 100,000, then we could. Yeah, I guess 100,000 is enough. I'll write 100,000. All right, so at least I made the website live, and I have a great outline for the. Wait, what? Oh shit, bubble! God damn it!
No.
No, I have to remove the bubble. Remember we did some stuff with bubble?
Yeah, but what do you have to remove?
No, I have to remove all the like DNS settings for it.
Hmm.
Okay, later, dude. Let me know when you're back. Hey, Kylan.
Huh.
I unfortunately got back into gaming.
Oh no. What are you ever
know.
gonna do now?
So I'm like a crackhead. I'm
Not
like,
gonna survive, honestly. You might overdose. Did you get a new gaming laptop?
no, I'm
You
streaming
game
it from
on
the
your
cloud.
work laptop?
Yes,
Wow, you're a degenerate now.
I know.
Okay, why am I having such a hard time with this one?
Yeah, but the cool thing is like I've been actually pretty good.
What do
I've
you
been
mean?
actually really I haven't been playing a lot. Like I'm doing well, I'm not that stupid. I did the whole I picked a game that's not as addicting. The only game I could play, yeah, there's only one game I could play that's like too addicting, and that's that, you know, that one I played in your house. I'm not playing that shit, that's for sure. No.
Oh, you're playing a new game?
No, I'm playing Diablo, but it's like the older version of Diablo. It's not that addicting, you know.
Oh, still Diablo.
It's Diablo, but it's not the addicting version. Like it's not that mod that I'm talking about, you know.
Okay.
I like how you're saying, you don't trust me, woman? You don't trust me?
No, I just don't really.
102.
I feel like as long as you get your work done, then it's not really that big of a problem, you know?
Yeah, that is true. That is 100% true. Right, I deleted all of this shit. Delete, 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 motherfucker. All right, now we're gonna add 1, 2, 3, and then we're gonna take two A records, okay? Then we're gonna do name at and then value at
Am I
at
not?
75. Okay, this one. Okay, and then I think it's a C name, right? C name. Hey, how do we get 1,000 space novas? Kylan, how could we duplicate this guy and get 1,000 awesome people like that?
I'm not sure. I guess we just keep going.
All right, because he's awesome. I don't know if you can hear us, bro, but you're
Haven't
fucking
come
dope.
back yet.
You're fucking dope.
Remember, he said he left.
I know, but we got to give him a compliment when he's back. Okay?
I said I don't think he's back yet.
I know. That's why I said when he's back. That's why I said when he's back. Sometimes I feel like you don't listen, hear what I'm saying.
I don't know if you said
But
when he's back.
anyway, let's give him a nice compliment when he's back. I think we could say something nice to him. He's a hey, he's our first like Twitch friend. That's dope.
Yes.
All right, finally. Finally, it is oh my god, I would do anything for some good fucking music right now for us to play. I would do anything. Finally, it has happened to me. And if I start singing my shit, you're gonna not like it.
Yeah, I hate when you sing. You always sing the dumbest songs that just get stuck in your head.
Finally, it has happened to me on front, on my face. Can I describe it? Finally.
Oh God.
Wait, could I? Okay, you know what? Let's see if I could play some music here from my side. Actually, I can't play music when I'm writing copy.
No,
All
you
right.
can't play music when you're streaming on YouTube because they'll copyright you. YouTube copyrights you for music.
Ah, I see. Okay, so now let's do the following. I got this. Okay. And this. Okay. I just can't describe it. No, no, no. What? Yo, 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 what just happened? The AI broke.
Broke.
Yeah, it just like it went blank. All the data disappeared. So, Kylan, I have a quick question.
Hmm.
Let's say I want to change the size of this title. Do I go to the style guide and change it?
You can, or you click on that and you go to the
This
you click on the element, not select the text. Yeah,
or
like that.
this?
And then click on the style, the names of the classes. That field at the very top.
Here?
No, down. That field right there that you can click on with the where you would normally see the names of the classes at the top.
Oh, 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 yeah.
No,
Here?
Yeah, and then click all in the pink.
I see.
And now do it. Now change it.
Got it. Okay. All right, I gotta take a little break. Hold on 1 second.
What are you doing?
I'm about to go to the restroom, but I want to write one more thing. Okay, I'll be back in a second.
I actually kind of want to do blue. Nice. I still feel weird about this one. I don't know what to do about it. Maybe.
What's up? How you doing?
Good.
How you doing?
Pretty
Do you
good.
hear me? Oh,
Damn, there are a lot of sirens going on right now.
yeah, I can hear it from here.
this one actually.
Oh, you see? Can't stress out. I was stressing out at the beginning. I was doing really bad.
I know. I was telling you that just the other day, remember?
Yeah.
About how you, like, sometimes you just get so stressed out that you can't do anything, and then it, like, you can't solve the problem.
Yeah, I know. And then, honestly, it's stressing out is so dumb. Oh man, did it. Oops, I did it again. You know that song?
Yes.
Isn't it beautiful and amazing that I sing only popular song?
Yeah, you don't sing that great of songs.
Oops, I did it again.
I have my coffee cup from this morning sitting right here. It's making me want to drink some coffee. I should go dump it out.
Hmm.
Okay, cool. Oh, my back hurts. How is your landing page coming along?
Good. I mean, honestly, I'm not going to be able to do styling. I think I'm going to pass that on to you. My goal is to just have really good copy and finish that off, you know? So I did the blog post. I did like, I have the outline finally. That was the hardest part, is like to get the story right, you know?
Yeah.
So I got that, and that's good. That's a big deal. And yeah, just after that, we could just do styling, like, yeah, based on whatever you did now, yeah. How are you doing, by the way?
Pretty good. Do you want to see? You look?
Yes. Yep. Hmm. Why,
No.
why is this drop down here?
In case you will go to the next screen, see, then you drop it down. That's what it would look like. So you can
Yeah,
disconnect.
I think you should remove that function just to reduce like things.
Okay. King? Shut up! Oh, I saw a meme today on on Instagram that said you haven't met a stage 5 clinger until you've met a dachshund.
You haven't made a what?
A stage 5 clinger until you've met a dachshund.
What's a stage fried clinger?
Stage 5 clinger.
Oh, yeah, from the Wedding Crashers. Yeah, yeah,
Yeah.
that's funny. That's really funny.
Do you think should I just remove the drop down in general? Like, yeah, I'm going to. Just ignore me asking that question because I'm already doing it.
Yeah, yeah, that's what I'm saying. Yeah, no drop down. Yeah, just less stuff, you know.
Mm,
And then it just says connected, and then you leave the link. Because what if someone wants to change the link, you know?
yeah, yeah. There's no need for them. It's not like it's taking up a lot of space. It doesn't need to be dropped down.
Yeah.
There's not a lot of information or anything.
And you should keep the same style. Remember, like the style that I said, like it's a border. So like all the style. I mean, like a little border and
The same style as what?
so remember we said early on, like I looked at the tryratio.com and
Oh yeah, yeah. But I
yeah, and you
don't
see
know
the
what exactly those styles are. Like, do you know how many times those have changed?
well, that's why I said that's why I sent you this. It's supposed to be a very light, like cream.
Wait, you told me I could change the colors.
Yeah, I guess colors you could change. I feel like that drop down, like, okay, yeah,
Because
that's
the
fine. You can do
colors that
whatever you
are
want.
currently on there are absolutely awful. They're from like completely different, like
Okay, I think. Okay, sounds good. Yeah, do whatever you want. That's fine.
Where'd you go?
No, I just took a little break.
Oh.
Well, what if you? Well, that's the thing. What if you want to edit it? So I don't think that there's no. I think they should all just be all like that, and it's not.
What?
Uh, okay.
All like what?
So
Don't move things though. You like
okay.
mess up the padding of everything. Like don't move it around.
Okay. So question: what if I want to edit this? How do I edit this?
I thought you just barely told me that we weren't gonna edit it.
No, if I want to change my, I create a new LinkedIn profile. I don't want to do this one.
Well, that's
So
why I
you can
had the
just.
disconnect feature so that you could disconnect it and add a new one.
How do I disconnect it from here?
You can't now. I just barely deleted it. I had that before. You told
Okay.
me to delete it with the drop down.
Yeah. So yeah. Okay.
It
So
said,
basically,
but it
yeah. So
said disconnect before this button. Basically, it just went gray and said disconnect, and it said your username right here. So then you could click disconnect, and then it would just go back to normal.
got it.
You
Okay.
want me to
So
add that back?
no, don't add it back. Let's talk about it because it's supposed to be this simple, right? Here's a LinkedIn profile link. Okay. So I put it in here. Now I
Okay.
say I don't want this one. I want another one. So then I type it here. And then so if it's in here, then I should just say. And if I type it, um, it should just automatically. I guess it's not a button. It should just automatically check. Okay, the new profile is just checked. Then it
Yeah.
says connected. That's it. It just checks it automatically in the background. So it doesn't need to be a button, an action button. It should just. You see, you have to walk through UIs all the time. You have to walk them through and like in your head, like how every step. Like, okay, I'm putting here a name. What happens here? It should connect. You see what I'm saying? Like, you have to tell a story in your head all the time. So, like,
Don't. Oh
I would
my
remove.
god! Please
All
do
right.
not touch things.
Okay. Fine. So, do you get what I'm saying now? What
Wait,
the
now you
solution
gotta
is?
do Control Z because you fucked up the icon right there.
All right. But do you see what I mean? What the solution is? Is
Yes,
JavaScript will
yes,
update it automatically. So it's
yeah,
not a
I
button
see.
anymore.
Yeah, I see.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, I get it. Yeah. So that doesn't make sense if it doesn't have the drop. If it's done, then it can't collapse like this because you have to change it. So it has to
Yeah.
stay.
No collapsing. Okay. So this is what I meant.
Michael, don't raise your voice at
This.
me when you're the one that told me to get rid of the no collapsing.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. Sorry. I'm not. Am I raising my voice? Really? I didn't realize I was raising my voice. Sorry. I didn't mean to raise my voice. I wasn't.
Yeah, it has to
So
have the collapsing. There's a reason I added the collapsing. Like it has to have that.
why does it have to have the collapsing?
Either
Or can
it
you
has
just.
to keep this, it can't collapse to be a small one when it's done because otherwise then you can't add your name. You either has to stay like this or you either have to be able to drop it back down. So it needs to stay
Okay.
exactly how it was before. I had thought it all through
I.
before and it worked
Oh,
out just fine.
okay, but there's a way simpler version which you did over here. So JavaScript says connect. Look, could I please explain it? Trust
Yes.
me, this is a simple one-page solution. Okay, so
Okay, but
I
I
add my
wasn't
link.
talking, you're not listening to me. I wasn't talking about this
Mm.
page. I was talking about the other page.
Yeah, so there's no need to have another page. There's literally no need to have another page.
Michael, the other page shows the connected states. It's not a different page. It shows the connected states. It just shows different states for the developer.
Correct. But what if I want to change the title? What if I want to
It
change
has
the
to stay
username?
the same then. It has to stay how it was before.
Yeah.
So the only one that will go smaller is this install Chrome one, because there's nothing you have to do. So maybe this shouldn't even go. That should just stay white.
What?
When it's connected and you're done with it, and it's supposed to put it to the bottom because you're done with it, you're supposed to be able to ignore it.
Yeah. Yeah, this is good. The username is written out. And that's it, yeah.
So should this stay gray?
Connected, no. Yeah, it should be gray. Yeah, that's fine.
Okay.
But now I feel like the connected is repeated, so I would just personally, I would just remove this button and use this as, you say here, you'll say connected, not connected, and then you make the input all the way till the end.
So then what happens when you want to change it?
This is an input field, right? So I don't like this username. I'm going to delete, and I'm going to put Kyle in.
And then does the connect button pop back up when you start typing?
No, you don't need connect anymore because it will,
You
with
need connect when
JavaScript.
you start typing in a new button. You can't have somebody type in a new button. They're not going to know that when they click enter, it connected. You
So
can't
with
just not
JavaScript,
have a button and just, yeah, it makes sense
so,
to you, but I'm saying like somebody's going to get on there and see the field and they're going to change it, but there has to be some way that they know that they saved their change.
yeah, and so it will by saying here, it'll say connected.
So that will go to not connected when they start typing.
Yes, you
So
have to press enter, and then it'll like. Let me think. Yeah. Then we could just say press enter to connect, or something so they know.
so add a button.
No, just enter because this is
Where am I going to add
right.
enter? I'm going to add enter in the exact same place where the button is. So then there's just floating text in that corner right there.
Okay, wait. So okay, so there is. Hold on. So let me walk through. I have to tell stories in my head over and over again. That's how I do UI always. I just go through a lot of times the story. So I type in a thing, I press enter, and then at the top it shows connected. Okay, it'll just load. It'll show connected. Okay, cool. I don't like this anymore. I want to remove. I want to delete my username. I have this new fucking LinkedIn profile. Okay, so I'm going to change the URL here. I'm going to say, okay, John Allen, and I'm going to press enter, and then it will load again and say connected. That's it. So I think that will work.
So should I add a state here where it says connecting? It's like a loading state.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, I think so. Yeah. Hey, sorry, wasn't trying to, how are you feeling?
Good.
Less
I
annoyed?
I get really frustrated at you first of all when you touch things because you like move shit around while you're talking, and then all my margins and padding are messed up. And then sometimes you tell me to delete things just quickly. Like when you first go through, you're like, "Don't need that, get rid of it." But we actually did need something like it. We need to like think through it first before you tell me to delete things. You know.
Okay. Point taken.
But this makes sense now, right?
Let me see, I'm not looking at it anymore. Yep. Yep, these two. I mean, we will never have this one, right? Because you want to change your, well,
This won't ever be anything else because you
well, you
can't
need a,
manage it from here anyways.
yeah, but you always need the button so you can go to the Chrome plugin store just in case, you know? Just let's say you uninstall it or whatever, and also we wouldn't
Or
know
just
if you
use
installed
that
them.
button to manage. Oh fuck.
I mean, we will know if it's installed or not, but
This color needs to be lighter because oh wait. Oops. Maybe this should just be I don't think Space Age Nova ever came back.
yeah, I know. Well, it was about to get a cool compliment, so
Okay. Does that make more sense?
sorry, just 1 second.
I don't know about that button, maybe. Here, look at this button though. I'm not sure. Chrome store. Like, do I need to make this one button bigger so it says like go to Chrome?
Give me 1 second.
Oh, sorry. I thought you were going to Figma for this.
No, I wrote the outline there. What is it? What do you want me to do? What do you want me to look at?
This Chrome section. See how I put Chrome store, but like, do I need to make this button bigger so it says go to Chrome store?
I would personally, I would remove this and this because it looks like an input, and I would just make this button massive, like go to Chrome Store
Oh
and
yeah,
remove the
it
knock.
just like takes up the whole thing.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, that's a good idea.
Yeah, connect to the installer plugin. Not manage. I would just say install our Chrome plugin. And if they click it, we're just going to change it into like install or something, or I don't know. Or maybe we could. I would just, yeah, install Chrome plugin, and then you could keep the not connected as installed or whatever. You could keep that same state.
Ew, King, stop. He's licking his butt. Should we just remove the connect button from the other ones? And it just does the same thing? Like you just enter in the username? So then they're all the same? Because then they're just
Yeah,
gonna
yeah,
so they should all just be like this LinkedIn box?
yeah. That's what I thought we're doing.
Okay.
Just minus their white. Yeah.
Yeah, that works much better. Also, I think I'm gonna change this to white. It's so annoying that like these are this they seem like this with UI, they just seem like all the same shit. Like they seem simple and then you actually do it and then there's like all this tedious shit you have to figure out. And it's actually kind of annoying.
Yeah, but isn't that what you want to do with your agency? Like work on for startups?
Yeah. Well, it's annoying, but it's also satisfying, like once you actually get it done. But it's annoying when you first go into it thinking this is so simple, I'm gonna get this done so fast, and then like hours later you're like, fuck, there's all these things I didn't even think about still. You know?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, that should be good. We hit our 3 hours.
Okay, I'm finishing one more second. I'm finishing one more section, and let's. Oh shit. Okay, yeah. I guess it's. Let me finish this section, and then we'll finish tomorrow.
That image that I did that you said that you like on the sign-in page, that like colorful abstract image. Do you know Unsplash, the like stock photo platform? Oh, sorry, are you reading copy and stuff right now?
Just one second. Okay. Okay, let's finish this tomorrow. What did you say? Sorry.
You know Unsplash,
Yeah.
the stock photo.
Yeah.
They have a premium version now that is. It's called. I think it's Unsplash Plus, probably. That I have. I've had it for a while, but it's gotten really good now. Like they have people put on 3D renders of all sorts of, like, not just 3D renders, but they do like product photography and everything like that, and they're like amazing quality. And so I have that as part of my I added that to my like benefits of the agency. It's like unlimited Unsplash Plus. If you go to the see on the you're on the editorial one right now, if you click on that Unsplash Plus next to it at the top on the navigation bar on the left. Oh yeah, there's that one too. Wait, no, go back.
So it has like really good pictures, like way better.
Yeah, go back to the homepage. And then click on the go to the navigation bar on the left though. Under the logo. See the Unsplash Plus right there? Yeah. And then see you can scroll and look at them. I mean, I guess does but see that like abstract one right there with the bubbles and
Am I like dreaming, or this is a butt?
It
This is a butt to me.
only looks like a butt to you because you're a man.
That looked like a butt to you too. Stop it.
No, I have that saved. I've used that photo. It didn't
Oh,
it
really?
never even occurred to me. Yes.
And this looks like. Oh, I'm kidding. Oh wow! Look at these oysters.
But do you see what I mean? Like the quality of it, you can tell.
Yeah, it is. It is really good. I mean, I'll be honest. Yeah, it's really fucking good. You
It's
see, this
much
is what I'm
better
saying.
than
Like,
stock platforms too.
yeah, you see, now that I think about it, I guess is AI can compete with this, you know?
I don't think it can. I mean, maybe eventually, but not right now. I think that
Yeah, I
maybe
guess.
it could with like the 3D renders and stuff like that. But who knows? Like maybe
Basically,
the photographers, they could be generating 3D renders with AI and uploading them. There's no way for us to know that. Like, see that flower one up there? That pink one?
yeah.
They're like really good quality.
Yeah. Yeah, that is very good quality. Space Age, are you back? Who's that viewer? Who's the viewer?
Is it on Twitch or is it on oh, I
No,
have
it's on.
it pulled up.
Oh, damn it.
So, like we always have one viewer at least because
All right,
that's
so
how I watch it. So I see the chat. See, look.
let's summarize. Let's summarize. Oh, I see 3 people now. Oh, so just me, you, and okay. Well, let's summarize what we've done. So, how are you doing with your UI?
Good. I need to add in the blog post over here with the. I need to add the footer basically with the blog post and everything, and then to this page, and then also the banner.
Shouldn't this be part of the banner, the welcome? Because what if?
Yeah, maybe. Huh? But I thought the banner was like
No, the banner's to tell you welcome and walk
the
you
banner.
through.
You can exit out of it though.
Yeah, that's fine. You know, that's it. You don't need a welcome message anymore, you know, after that, no? Um, yeah, I would say, yeah, just the banner, and then, yeah, we need a header, a footer. A footer is just going to be, right, it's going to be a special, unique footer, which is, it has a blog post and it has links both, you know?
Mm.
Interesting footer. And then a header, and then, yeah, and then a cool, I guess, welcome page, yeah. Welcome banner, yeah.
What do you mean by
Um,
header? Like with the
like we need it.
navigation links?
Yeah. Like, you know,
Because
connect.
I was gonna leave it just. I was just gonna put them in the navigation bar. I wasn't gonna do.
What? Sorry, what do you mean? So the navigation bar, yeah, has like log out,
Yeah.
account,
Yeah.
connect. What is it? Connect and over here, right? So yeah, these three, exactly those three, right?
Yeah. But I didn't know if that's what you meant or if you meant like something else.
I don't know that, yeah. And then okay, yeah, on my end at least I'm happy I got the copy outline and the story. Obviously it's gonna need a lot of this is not the kind of project where I could just let AI write the whole thing. I need to like edit and look at it, and it's probably gonna take me like, yeah, maybe tomorrow I could finish the whole copy, and then after that I'm just gonna pass through the styles. I don't think anything could replace you on good styles, you know?
Oh, did you want to? Are you trying to show off your American tattoos?
Yes, I'm trying to show off this America.
I mean, you like pulled your
Uh,
sleeve up and everything. I don't know. You were trying to
no,
like show them off or something.
okay, so let's just chill. Yeah, so Kylan, I think we've done a pretty good job. I think if we can finish, we'll definitely finish the UI tomorrow.
Yeah, for sure.
Um, and then what else we need to do? Yeah, I'll finish the copy tomorrow. I'll let everyone know what the status is on Alex because he's working in parallel with us. And then, yeah, that's it.
Oh, nice.
All right. What else is going on?
Not much.
Yeah, it's so weird. Like, what? I guess YouTube, did we get any views on YouTube? Let me check something out. I'm just curious if we were getting anything on YouTube. I mean, the truth is, like, it's hard. I
The
guess the only,
33 strategies of war in under 30 minutes. What the fuck, Michael?
well, that's what,
That
well, what are you talking about? What are you talking about?
was the last thing you were watching. It says continue watching the
Oh,
33 strategies of war in the last in under 30 minutes.
it's one of the greatest books ever written. It's about it's Napoleon's like strategies of war.
Oh, what book is it? Is it the
It's
War and Peace?
it's based on his like book on how to. It's
But what is his book? What's it called?
it's not a book. I don't think he wrote the
Oh,
book, but
it's
it's just
not the
about his.
War and Peace book.
No, it's about his strategies on. Um, yeah, it's this. It's this. It's based on this book of Robert Greene,
Oh,
but he took it mostly from Napoleon's tragedies. Yeah.
huh.
Um,
Okay, so check our viewers.
what?
Check our viewers. See if we got any. It doesn't look
Hold
like
on.
it.
Okay, let's see. Nothing, zero, nada, por medio. Ah. You know what we could do? Let's try this tomorrow. Let's push some new ideas. Well, obviously, like no one knows about. Okay, it would be crazy even if we were well known for someone to just,
Happen
unless we're
upon
talking the whole time. Yeah, you know, people want to see the end result. So yes, if this company, any of the company succeeds, yes, then that's well. Here's some cool things, right? Here's some cool effort. You know, so first, I think we should launch your agency. Second, look, we got a pretty good traction on the product hunting. Like, not bad for me not knowing anything.
What did?
Look, like we got 21 followers.
Damn.
Yeah, and we had like, look how many votes. Uh,
Go to products. Up in your like profile, when you click on your profile picture, you can click on my products.
9 upvotes.
Damn. I forgot.
Yeah,
I
look at this.
wrote it. Hold on.
Look. Wow, very creative. I like it. I like share on YouTube channel.
Everything. Oh, I need to hold on. Verify my email real fast. Nice. 10 upvotes.
Yeah, that's pretty fucking badass. You know? We
Yeah.
did this, you know, we're on the right track. We're getting really good. I think the missing piece is that we need to get better at quick sales. You know, like getting sales, generating sales, because I think that's going to be the effect. Now, again, the ads technically, there's still some shit I need to learn on the ad side and like the social media side, and I have a few ideas on how to improve that. I think I'm just that's what I was doing earlier for this is to create a massive pipeline of social media posts for like 2 months, you know,
Yeah.
and then blast it on Twitter automatically every day, you know. So like creating a timeline, a schedule,
Yeah.
like see sales, so we could measure this over a month, you know. Oh, you know what we could try?
Hmm.
Oh, I have an idea for content creation tomorrow. You know how
What?
there's a trend with ADHD, there's a trend. Um, there's a trend of like um, working with people in an office.
Yeah.
So why don't we, instead of saying, "Hey, we're building a company in 3 hours," why don't we just say, "We're working for 3 hours. We're building a company, but come work with us." Like we're working
Oh,
office
yeah.
hours,
Yeah, that could work. Yeah.
and then we could do, and then there's no stress, you know. But yes, we're still building stuff, and people will know about what we're building, and then we'll tell people to show us what they're building.
Yeah. Yeah, that's a good idea.
Okay, I need to think about this more, but I'm really, really like exhausted.
Same. I
Okay. Hey,
jogged to
Keen, you
my
want
room
to
today, though. No, don't.
what?
Do not. Don't tell him that. Just say hello.
Oh, oh, King. Ruff, 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 ruff,
Oh,
ruff, 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 ruff. He's looking.
who is that?
Ruff, ruff. Okay, I'm sounding crazy.
Tell him, Keenan.
Get it. Get it, King. Get it, King. I'm getting the bone. Go get the bone. Go get the bone. Go get the bone. Go get the bone.
Are
King,
you
go get the bone.
What the fuck?
Isn't that the cutest thing ever though when he like puts his face up and he's like, oh.
King, go get the bone. Go get the bone. Get the bone, King.
You finally learned how to be a hound dog, huh? Only took you 5 years.
Well, that was fun.
He's like, you said that was fun, and he was like, he's like, fucking A, man.
That's hilarious. Okay, well, Kyle and Rich, it was nice knowing you. I'll see you around. I'll see
Nice
you
meeting
around.
you too. I'll see you around too.
All right, girl. I'll see you tomorrow, same time.
Yep. See you then.
Booyakasha. All right, peace.